Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video you'll find out the easy way to make our houseplants healthy and bigger. Please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Let's start now with motivational message of plants, trees and nature to our life. This is the month you have been waiting for. God is bringing you uncommon restoration. He is giving you a reason to smile and soar in places where you were once ashamed and defeated. Expect God to meet you at every point of need, healing, providing, guiding, and leading you. This is one of the most effective and best fertilizer. Soil conditioning. In summer season, the dried seeds of madre de cacao. They serve as natural fertilizer, according to study. Madre de cacao is an NPK ready, meaning the leaves can be used as biofertilizer into our field and houseplants. Madre de cacao is enough to fertilize our trees, houseplants, and our rice paddies, served as insect repellent. They promote absorption of water and nutrients such as phosphorus, nitrogen and zinc. Add cocopeat and mixed Madre de cacao benefits to our houseplants and house garden. One of the effective and best fertilizer, foliar, soil conditioner, flowering enhancer, rapid decomposer, soil nutrient, plant booster, growth booster, repellent, pesticide, insecticide, fungicide, bactericide, rodenticide, and molluscicide. Add eggshells. One of the best mixed fertilizer for madre de cacao to boost more nutrients. One motivational message. Take time to do what makes your soul happy. And remember that when you run alone, it's called a race. And when God runs with you, it's called grace. This is one of the secrets. Why my houseplants getting bigger and healthy houseplants. The message of life. A strong person is not the one who doesn't cry. A strong person is one who is quiet and sheds a tear for a moment, and then picks up the sword and fights again. Remember, nothing is stronger than a broken man rebuilding himself. And to everyone carrying a heavy heart in silence, it's going to be okay. Always listen to the message of nature and to your heart. It's a message of your soul. Now, apply your homemade fertilizer to your houseplants. Best for philodendron, aglaonemas, pothos plant, ficus plant, vegetables, fruits, rice fields, orchids and many more. This is one of the best fertilizer and soil conditioner that plants need to become healthy, with complete nutrients. The foliage of madre de cacao leaves is used as anti-muggen, treats hotspots, eliminate ticks and fleas to our pets, treats scars and redness, treats itchy skin and falling hair, eliminate ear mites and foul odor, treat skin infection specially to our pet dogs, and help regulate fur loss. The madre de cacao Gliricidia sepium helps control pests such as plant hoppers, cutworm, flies, ticks, and fleas. Madre de cacao is a nitrogen-fixing tree. It is adaptable to almost any soil environment, including fertile soil. The foliage of madre de cacao leaves is one of the best in removing insects to our houseplants or house garden. Now that you know the simple tips to make your houseplants, vegetables, fruits, trees, and more healthy plants with the help of madre de cacao leaves as fertilizer, soil conditioner, insect repellent. Remember this: if the sight of the blue skies fills you with joy, if a blade of grass springing up in the fields has power to move you, if the simple things of nature have a message that you understand, rejoice, for your soul is alive. It's really true. Nature will never go out of style. Nature and houseplants is endlessly beautiful. There is no time to board in a world as beautiful as this. Nature, trees, plants. All plants, trees, are our brothers and sisters. They talk to us. And if we listen, we can hear them. Remember that the earth has music for those who listen. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe for more video updates.